Hello, camera enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the Leica TL2, a sleek, mirrorless camera that combines classic design with modern tech. Whether you're a fan of Leica or just exploring mirrorless options, this video will break down everything you need to know. The Leica TL2 offers a seamless blend of compact build, intuitive controls, and high-quality imaging. Released as an upgrade to the original Leica T and TL models, this camera brings both style and substance, fitting right into Leica's reputation for minimalism and precision. We'll take a closer look at its core features and why it stands out in the mirrorless market. First up, the sensor. The Leica TL2 packs a 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering sharp, vibrant images even in various lighting conditions. This sensor, combined with Leica's impressive image processing engine, allows for greater detail and color accuracy, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts looking for high-quality images without jumping to a full-frame system. The camera's autofocus system also saw a significant upgrade. The TL2 features contrast-based autofocus with up to 49 points, enabling quick and accurate focusing across the frame. This system is especially helpful for fast-moving subjects, making it more versatile than earlier models in the TL line. Another highlight of the TL2 is its 4K video capability. It records 4K at 30 frames per second, along with full HD at 60 FPS and HD at 120 FPS for slow-motion recording. This makes it a practical option for hybrid shooters who want both photo and video features in one compact camera. Design-wise, the TL2 stays true to Leica's aesthetic: sleek, durable, and minimal. Crafted from a single block of aluminum, it has a premium feel that's both lightweight and sturdy. The camera's touchscreen interface is also intuitive, with a 3.7-inch LCD that allows users to swipe through settings and images smoothly. There's minimal physical control on the body, which keeps the design clean and reduces distractions when shooting. One unique aspect of the TL2 is its modular lens system. Leica's L-mount opens up options for both native and compatible lenses, giving users flexibility in building their kit. With adapters, the TL2 can support an even wider range of lenses, which is a great plus for Leica users who already own lenses from other systems. In terms of connectivity, the TL2 is well equipped. It offers built-in Wi-Fi for easy image transfer and remote control from mobile devices, compatible with the Leica TL app. Additionally, the USB-C port supports charging and data transfer, adding convenience for users who prefer minimal gear when traveling or working in the field. Battery life is moderate, lasting around 250 shots per charge, which is decent for a compact mirrorless, but may need backup for extended shoots. Charging through USB-C also makes it easy to top up with a power bank, a helpful feature for those on the go. The Leica TL2 is a stylish, versatile camera that combines solid image quality with intuitive design. It's aimed at photographers who want a blend of performance and portability without sacrificing aesthetics. While it may not have every feature available in higher-end models, the TL2 is a capable choice that delivers impressive quality in a compact form. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more camera insights and reviews. Let us know in the comments if there's a feature of the TL2 you'd love to try out, or if you have any other camera models in mind for our next review. See you next time.